Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do a flip through of my new junk journal which is yet to be filled. This video will be helpful for those who want to start junk journaling. You will get some ideas on what pages to add in the journal and what to add in charms. Before I begin with the flip through, I would like to give a small description on what a junk journal is for the beginners and for those who have no absolute idea on junk journaling. Junk journal is a handmade journal made out of recycled materials or pages. Junk journaling includes papers, fabric, and materials like such. It is journaling about your day to day life. You can include things like photos, bills, invitations, greeting cards, and packaging, or anything that you get in your day to day life. It really feels amazing to see, read, and touch the journal, and also it is a very nice and creative way of telling things to the future generation. So now let's begin with a flip through. This is my handmade junk journal. This measures 7.5 inches by 6 inches and the spine measures 2.5 inches. So I have 6 signatures in total. So I'll begin with my charms, what and all I have in my charms. My charms have collections from my childhood, old keychains, my broken clips, Indian flag badge that I used to wear on Independence and Republic Day. It also has my broken earrings. So let's get inside. Cover has a children's book illustration and I also have a pocket there with a tag. Here I can write when I started and when I ended this journal. Then I have a scrap paper which I folded from the bottom to make it as a pocket. Vintage sheet. An envelope which I made out of a children's book page so that I can flip up and tuck in something inside it. Some coffee dyed sheet, music sheets, colored paper. This is a folder which I made few years ago, so I didn't want it to throw it, so I attached it in my junk journal. So on this I stuck down this bouquet sheet from the top so that I can flip up and journal. So starting off the second signature, I have some scrap paper, some coffee dyed sheets and some pictures from children's book. Also have this graph sheets from my school days. A pocket there as well which has this vintage bank passbook page. Then I also have this paper bag, a mini pocket book, comic page. So this is a material that comes on vegetable and fruit packaging. So I have my bookmark tied. Children's book page, colored acetate sheet. So this is a pocket and the images on that pocket is from a magazine. So inside this pocket I have a large tag which has 2 mini tags and this cardstock. Some scrap paper, legit paper. So on this page, I have this envelope stuck on the side. Then I also included this fabric because I love touching this fabric. It's very soft. a greeting card that I got in mail, a small piece of the bouquet sheet that I attached with a paper pin, some old gift wrapping paper. On this pattern paper, I can stick it from the sides and make it as a pocket. So on the last page, I did some painting with mascara wand. So at the end of the journal, I have this fabric pocket which has this envelope with dried rose petal and also another envelope which I made out of baking sheet. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Hope it inspired you. If it did, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.